The moment that I have been waiting for is here. Okay, it's one thing to unbox a deck, someone else's deck, but to unbox your own deck is freaking amazing. And so, here we go. Hey! All right, the Banksy Tarot. First showing. Oh my God. I love it. Here, I'm going to move this box. There we go. Oh my gosh. It turned out beautiful. It's the 300 GSM paper, cardstock I mean. Oh, I love it. Oh, the semi-gloss finish. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I would totally buy this. I'm so glad I made it for myself. We'll see if other people want it, but I'm telling you right now, if I saw this deck, I would want it. I want it right now. I'm so happy to have it. Oh, okay, these are the buckets or the cups. Oh, it's fabulous if I don't say so myself. Woohoo! And the spray cans. These are the swords. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, Ten of Swords. Love it. Oh. These are the wands. All Banksy's work. Street art galore. Oh, I love you. I love Banksy. I love this deck. And the pentacles. Whoop! I am definitely loving it. Yes. Stay tuned for a series of videos on how I chose these images. And oh my God, there's my man. Woo! The Papa of Stencils. Love it. The Banksy Tarot. Yes. Bye for now.